This is a summer roll, or if you live here in California, it's called a spring roll. Whichever you prefer, it's highly debated. All depends on where you live in the United States. On social media, food writers and food bloggers are calling this a summer roll, and they're claiming that spring rolls are fried. As a result, to avoid confusion, they're actually calling it a fried spring roll just for more specificity, suggesting that it's not a summer roll. But the opposite is also true. Here on the West Coast, I've been to numerous Vietnamese delis and restaurants that call this a spring roll. And personally, I've ordered this as a spring roll. And to make it more confusing, when you deep fry this, you get an imperial roll. And to add another layer to it, now food bloggers are doing this, wrapping it in rice paper and frying it, but not calling it imperial, they're calling it rice paper dumpling. I know, super confusing. Bear with me. Considering this, as quoted from one of my favorite food writers, Bettina McAlintal, with translation comes a level of separation as the idea of the dish's audience is shifted. In this case, shifted to be more approachable, more neutral, some would say mainstream to cater to an English-speaking customer base. As a result, the translation becoming oversimplified, generalized, blankly lost in translation. No matter what you call it, when anglicized names are adopted, whether for food or actual names, although unintentional, imposes an erasure of identity and culture. But when faced with the casual racism in Asian foods, it seems that Asian foods, as our lineage and heritage, are grouped as one to look all the same and sound the same. In my effort to celebrate and educate the beauty of this iconic, complex, beautiful, and healthy dish, I'll be honoring this recipe, my heritage, by calling it by its native name, Cuốn. Now that we've settled what we're going to call this beautiful dish, let's pivot over and focus on the healthiness of what this offers. Rice paper is the lowest GI, that's glycemic index of the rice varieties, alongside with short grain glutinous rice and rice noodle. As a result, it translates into lower carbs and higher fiber content, which is essential to keep the blood sugar levels from spiking when consumed. Combined with traditional Vietnamese peanut sauce, peanut butter being a food item that also ranks low on the glycemic index, combined with the traditional Vietnamese herbs and lettuces for fiber, makes this an extremely healthy meal. There you have it, my perfect version of Cuốn, one of my favorite personal family recipes. This episode was made in partnership with CCHP. CCHP delivers high-quality, affordable healthcare through culturally competent and linguistically appropriate services to the community since 1986. More information about CCHP in the description link below, along with the recipe. However, as a first-generation Vietnamese American who identifies as AAPI, I think we owe it to ourselves to provide more beautiful, complex narratives of where we come from. For the record, Cuốn literally means salad roll, and I have no idea how that is rooted or related to the term spring roll or summer roll. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, hit the bell so that way you get a notification every time a new episode airs. Thanks. Peace out. See you soon.